G'day guys, Alex Ryan here. In this video, we're going to be looking at how do you go about pricing your products. So which products should you really be gravitating towards, especially if you're looking to generate an income on Amazon. You know, what are the best products to go after that have the highest margins and basically, yeah, in terms of profitability, the highest profitability in a way as well. So stay with me guys, we're going to be discussing that in this video, plus much, much more. Welcome back guys, it's good to have you here. So which product should you be focusing on? Those products should really be relating around anything above 20 bucks. And I've had this discussion before with somebody else, with one of my clients actually. Can we just bring up the screen right here? Beautiful. All right, so we've got the screen up here, so you can sort of see here that we've basically got this product here, Fisher Price Rattle and Rock. Now it's selling for $6.99, right? So people might go, "Oh wow, that's pretty cheap," and wow, it's got 2,646 reviews. Hold on, let's just do the calculator on that. So 2,646 by $6.99, I believe it was $6.99. Is that how you do it? Yeah, $6. This is $7, right? Wow, they've made $20,000 minimum, right? Because on rule of thumb, right, on average, out of every 10 sales you get one review. So they'd probably multiply that by 10. That's like 200K plus, right? So it's a lot of money. Wow. Okay. But think about this, guys. There's still FBA costs. There's absolutely FBA costs, and there's shipping costs, and there's cost price, right? So let's just run the numbers on this particular product, and I'm going to run the numbers here. Okay. So you guys can sort of see it. Here we go. All right, let's just run the numbers on this particular product. So you can sort of see. And what I want you to see, guys, is the net fee. So Fisher & Price Rattle, $6.99. Guess what? The net price minus the FBA fee is $4.30. So the FBA fee alone is $4.30. That's like 3/4 of the actual retail price. So do you think they're making money, right? This is the net fee. $2.60. So this is the net amount they're receiving, $2.69. Guess what? That doesn't include the cost price for that rattle. Now, yeah, they're making close to, this is an estimate, right, of $40,000 a month selling this particular product, but in terms of net profit, they're probably not making a whole lot of money. So guys, keep that in mind. When you're pricing your products, you kind of want to be aiming anything above 20 bucks. Anything less than $10, it just ain't going to be profitable for you, because you've got FBA fees, you've got to pay the cost price of that particular product, plus much more. So guys, make sure you do your review. If you're looking for product ideas, don't forget to check out our webinar that we have on our website. We've got a free online training that shows you how to use software like this, but how to identify the hot trending products right now. I actually do give you away product ideas on that. And I also show you the steps involved to listing your product on Amazon and how to go about beginning your Amazon FBA journey. So guys, make sure you check that out, or give us a call in the office. Our phone number is 02-8003-7534. I'd love to have a chat with you. I would love to work with you, and hopefully see you at some of our conferences as well. But give us a call in the office, 02-8003-7534. Let's start your Amazon journey, guys. My name's Alex Ryan. Have a fantastic day. See you soon. Bye-bye for now.